Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Now, let's get into it. The first double move is U2. To execute this move, turn the top face twice. For D2, turn the bottom face 2 times. L2 turns the left side face twice. R2 turns the right-hand side twice. To do F2, turn the front face twice. Finally, for B2, turn the back face 2 times. The last step to learning cube notation is to learn slice moves. The first slice move is M. To do this, turn the middle face towards yourself. M' does the exact same thing as M, however you turn the middle face away from. E turns the middle layer of the front face to the right. E' doing the opposite. S turns the middle of the cube to the right. Finally, S' does the exact same thing, however turns the middle of the cube to the left instead of the right. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I see you in the next one.